welcome back to my channel JS Code. In today's video, we'll be using Python 3 to program a simple Mac changer for our Linux systems. So what you basically need is Python 3 installed on your system and a module named as subprocess module. So let's start. First of all, by importing the module subprocess. Now what we have to do, we have to take two parameters. The first one being the name of the interface, so I will call it as the interface and take the input and print the message, enter the interface name. So the second one being the new MAC address, that is the MAC address you wish to change or to spoof your network interface card address to. So take is at input, enter the new MAC. So as you can see, I'm taking the input as string because it consists of hexadecimal characters. So basically I won't be converting it into int but taking it as string. So what we are gonna do next is use subprocess and use a function of subprocess that is called, and now type in the command if config space and append string as interface name plus, and again space down, comma, our second argument of the call function shell is equal to true. So what I'm gonna do is copy this and again paste it, interface and hw ether, and again append the new MAC address, that is new MAC. So what I have done, ifconfig interface name hw ether and the new MAC, and the shell is equal to true, which is the second argument of the call function, and this whole line forms the command to change the MAC address after you have set it to down. So next step is also the simple one, same, just turn up the interface again, and now we use subprocess dot call ifconfig space plus the interface name and the shell equals to true. So basically what this program is going to do is first turn off the interface, then change the MAC address to the new MAC address, and then turn it on again, and then the fourth line will show us if the MAC address is changed or not. So basically if you put it as any random MAC address, then you will be in the danger of losing your network connection. So make sure you use a really logical MAC address, or maybe you copy your own MAC address before running this program, or you will have to restart your computer in order to change it back to the original one. So let's execute this program. Python 3, name of the program macchanger.py, the first name of the interface WLP3S0, MAC address let's use 112223A AB 21 BB. Is it okay? Yeah. It says cannot assign requested address. So basically what this problem is that you cannot assign any random MAC address. So let's try this time with a logical MAC address WLP3S0, and I'll just change it a little bit like 7A and BA, and as you can see the MAC address is changed successfully this time. So that's how we write a code to change our MAC address. And if you wish to replace this with only the MAC address, then you can use regex to extract this, and also use optparse module to run it as command line using command line arguments and many other things. But this is the simplest way you can program a simple Mac changer for the Linux system. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.